Hey, hello.
We are parents of a 7-year-old kid, a boy, and we just wanted to say something for Dr. Aruna Patki. Actually, our son is 7 years old now, almost 8, and he was diagnosed with ADHD couple of years ago. We got couple of opinions from different doctors, and every time they confirmed the diagnosis, a couple of them wanted to put our son on medication, but we did not want to do that at all. So what we did was we started taking professional help, where we put him to for OT, like occupational therapy, speech therapy, and speech delay therapy. That is going on for past 1 year, but the progress that he is having with that is okay. It's not as up to the mark, but we are seeing some difference in him. We obviously, being Indians, we know about Ayurveda, so we decided to pursue some Ayurvedic treatment, and because of that, when we did some research and found out about Dr. Aruna Patki and her reviews and what she does, we decided to talk to her. So when we took an appointment for him, she asked us all about him and then gave us a 7-day plan for Panchakarma. The sessions were actually not only for him but also for us, because the sessions comprised of 7 days of Panchakarma for our son and 7 days of training for us. So every time we went to her, it used to be a 1.5 hour session where first 30 minutes were given to us for our training, enhancing our knowledge so that we can put it in work at our home. And the remaining 1 hour for his treatment. So she did Abhyanga, Shirodhara, and gave him steam and different oil massages. Uh, but the main thing that happened during this process is she gave us the training about what he needs to eat, what his daily routine needs to be, what his activities needs to be, and asked us to take care of them when we go back home and change his eating habits, because he's used to eating a lot of junk food, maybe burgers, pizzas, and all kinds of Indian junk food. But she asked us to stop that and try out home food for a few days so that we see the difference. The important thing that happened immediately after 7 days of Panchakarma was that we found out that he had become a bit calm. He was concentrating more a bit. His focus was more a bit, nothing major, but we started to see some minor changes in him, where when we talked to him, he used to sit quietly for a long amount of time. Initially he never used to sit more than 10-15 minutes at a single place, but he suddenly started sitting there, sitting in a single place for 30 to 45 minutes. We had enrolled him for piano lessons and swimming lessons. So those 45 minutes of each used to be a big thing for him. He easily got distracted in between, and he did not do them properly apart from the first 15 minutes. What we saw was that after the 7 days of Panchakarma, he started concentrating on them properly. He started learning his piano lines properly. His swimming sessions were better. Uh, his communication, like, now it's 2 months where his treatment has started. So he had 7 days of Panchakarma, and every month we take him to Dr. Aruna Patki, and she gives him oil massages and Shirodhara. uh, so it has been 2 times after our first 7 days of Panchakarma. The difference that we are seeing is remarkably big. His communication has improved a lot. He is forming his own sentences when he tries to talk with us. He is trying to communicate with all his friends too. He has become more social. Earlier he used to be a bit shy because of his communication, and maybe he was aware of that. But now he goes out and seeks out friends and plays with them. His speech has not only become clear, not only improved, but also has become clear. He is forming his own sentences using his own vocabulary. One more important change is he has become environmentally aware. Earlier, he used to be in his own mood, and he used to walk and roam around, but now he's environmentally and spatially aware. His biggest thing that I said earlier is his focus and concentration. Now he can sit at a single place for 1 hour or so, and he listens to us. His piano sessions are improving tremendously. He can now play 2 3 full minutes worth of Bollywood songs. Not much, but a couple of them. But that is a remarkable improvement for us. Uh, what Dr. Aruna Patki asked us to change, and we did, was his diet and his daily routine. With diet, we removed all the junk food from his diet. What we did was we started giving him homemade food. Even when he wants burgers or pizza, what we do is we make burgers out of vegetables and give it to him. If he wants pizza, we make it out of flour at home and give it to him. We avoid putting yeast in it. Most of it is vegetarian home food. That's what we have concentrated on more with his habits. The second thing she asked us was to get him doing some yoga and some exercises. So his mom has started doing that with him. So every morning he sits with his mom and does yoga and some exercises. We are also taking him out for I'm taking him out for jogging and running and bicycles and everything. Because of that, his physical strength has also changed. Also, he has become